This is why the crypto market fell so far, so fast in price just recently. Bitcoin price slides 5% in 60 minutes amid Silvergate uncertainty. That is all this is, uncertainty, because Bitcoin has nothing to do with Silvergate Bank. Most assets have nothing to do with Silvergate Bank. They lend capital out. BlackRock's an investor. Citadel Securities is an investor. But obviously, this is just fear-driven. The reality is macroeconomic events are not positive. Inflation is starting to pick back up. So you're going to start seeing some softness in these risk tech assets, which is obviously no problem if you're a long-term investor. So let's dive through what's really going on in this space. Hedera Hashgraph transaction volume in 2023 at 2 billion transactions. That is huge growth in 2023. This is the year the governing council of Hedera Hashgraph really starts building and using Hedera Hashgraph. Let's look at unique address growth of these assets in the first 2 months of the year. Hedera started the year at 1.4 million addresses. Now it's at 1.8 million. That's 31% growth, beating most assets except for Arbitrum and Phantom. BNB chain up 12%, Crypto.com up 6%. Still solid growth for the first 2 months of the year. Avalanche up 16% as well. Let's dive through some on-chain data for some revolutionary blockchain infrastructure. The Ankr protocol is now getting 8 billion daily API requests. Ankr is node infrastructure. We know blockchains run on nodes. If you want information from one of these nodes, a lot of the assets use Ankr protocol to get that information. 8 billion daily requests, 38 plus supported networks, 40,000 developers. So massive statistics for the Ankr protocol. Here's an update from decentralized cloud computing provider Flux. 100 websites on WordPress are running on Flux. Remember how Flux partnered up with WordPress. So if you're building on top of WordPress, you can use Flux to host your website. Well, we just started and there's already over 100 websites building on Flux because it is lower cost than most other providers. So massive growth, just getting started. Here's an update for some revolutionary blockchain technology that Near protocol is putting out. Today we announced that Near is the blockchain operating system, a common layer for browsing and discovering open web experiences compatible with any blockchain. So they created this interface, this operating system, which is going to allow users to explore any blockchain. This is the user-friendly type of interface that we've been waiting for in the blockchain world for mass adoption, right? You just want to be able to log onto some software and check out what's going on. Well, Near just produced an operating system on top of blockchains. Pretty revolutionary, staying on top of this market.